Lewa's team carries out joint patrols with NRTs 9192 and the Kenya Wildlife Service in northern Kenya and the Mount Kenya region to monitor the state of the elephant populations. The team recently completed 10 days of joint patrol in Mount Kenya. Lewa's radio room is the central point of communication for northern Kenya's community conservancies. The community conservancies report to our radio room on any incidents involving elephants and consult our anti-poaching unit for follow-ups to these incidents. Our team offers reinforcement by sending the Rapid Reaction Unit, tracker dogs, and if necessary, aerial support. It is by Lewa's, the Northern Rangeland Trust, and Kenya Wildlife Service's dedication that we are seeing visible impact on anti-poaching activities in northern Kenya. In the past 3 years, we have recorded less elephant poached and more illegal ivory recovered. More suspected poachers have also been arrested and their weapons confiscated. Lewa's anti-poaching unit offers training to NRT Community Conservancy Scouts on elephant monitoring, data collection, field crafts, and communication to build their capacity. Be part of Lewa's landscape level efforts to protect the beloved elephant by donating to our campaigns.